I will discuss about the Koel. Some people call it Cocoa. Genus is Cutlass. The global distribution of cuckoos are found worldwide, with species inhabiting every continent except Antarctica. Species diversity. There are over 140 different species of cuckoos, each with its own unique characteristics. Migratory behavior. Many cuckoo species are migratory, traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. Clever reproduction. Cuckoos are famous for their reproductive strategy called brood parasitism. Female cuckoos lay their eggs in the nest of other birds species, relying on them to raise their chicks. Distinctive calls. Cuckoos are known for their distinctive and often recognizable calls, with the common cuckoo's cuckoo being one of the most well-known. Size variation. Cuckoo species vary widely in size, with some being quite small, like the little bronze cuckoo, and others much larger, such as the channel-billed cuckoo. Habitat preference. Cuckoo inhabits a range of environments, including forests, grasslands, and even urban cities and towns. Dietary diversity. Cuckoos have diverse diets feeding on insects, caterpillars, fruits, and small vertebrates. Unique feet. Cuckoos have feet, meaning their toes are arranged with two pointing forward and two pointing backwards. This adaptation helps them grip branches. Longevity. The lifespan of cuckoo varies by species, but many can live for several years. Cuckoo clock origin. The cuckoo clock is inspired by the call of the common cuckoo. The first cuckoo clocks were crafted in the Black Forest region of Germany. Cultural significance. Cuckoos have cultural significance in various societies and are featured in folklore, literature, and music. Talking about social behavior, while some cuckoo species are solitary, others exhibit social behavior, forming loose flocks during migration. Specialized bills. Cuckoos often have slender, slightly curved bills adapted for catching insects. Egg mimicry. Cuckoos lay eggs that mimic the appearance of the host bird's eggs, reducing the chances of their eggs being rejected. Specialized nests. Some cuckoos species build their own nest, while others rely entirely on the nests of other birds. Cuckoo migration. The common cuckoo is known for its remarkable migration, covering thousands of kilometers between Africa and Europe. Brood hosts. Different cuckoo species target a specific host species for their brood parasitism, each having evolved different evolved to exploit different characteristics of the host behavior. Aggressive mimicry. Cuckoos mimic the calls of predatory birds to scare off smaller birds from their nests to ward off them. Population decline. Some cuckoos species are facing population decline due to the habitat loss, climate change, and other environmental factors. Intelligence. Cuckoos are considered intelligent birds, with some species exhibiting problem-solving skills. Cuckoo-finch relationship. Again, it is a bird. The cuckoo finch of the islands has an interesting relationship with Darwin's finches laying eggs in their nest. Cuckoo and wren relationship, another bird. In some regions, wrens have evolved to recognize and reject cuckoo eggs from their nest. This is the loss of the cuckoo. Diverse plumage. Cuckoos display a range of plumage patterns from plain and cryptic to brightly colored and striking. The feathers distribution and feathers pattern are distinctive. Camouflage techniques. Cuckoo chicks often have specialized markings and behaviors to mimic the appearance and behavior of the host bird's chicks. Economic importance. Cuckoos contribute to pest control by consuming large quantities of insects. Scientific study. Cuckoos have been extensively studied by scientists to understand their behavior, migration pattern, and the co-evolution with their host species. Conservation efforts. Conservation initiatives are underway to protect cuckoo habitats and address the threats they face. Parasite evolution. The arms race between cuckoos and their hosts has led to fascinating adaptation and counter adaptation in both parties. Global symbolism. The cuckoo is a symbol in various cultures, often associated with the arrival of spring and the changing seasons. These facts showcase the diverse and intriguing nature of cuckoos, making them a subject of interest for bird enthusiasts and researchers alike. Hope you would like a little bit research about the cuckoo.